Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Myself Chetali Arora from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group of Kota welcome you all in the new session. So kids, in the previous class we have already learnt about sounds A, E, I, O and U. So today we will do one exercise related to same topic. Okay, so everyone take out your English workbook. Open page number 7, mention the date and classwork at the top. Now let's read the question kids. Read the words from the word box. Write the words to match the picture below. So kids, what we have to do? Some words are already given here in the box. So first we have to identify these pictures and then we have to write their names from this box. Okay, so everyone take out a pencil and hold it properly. Now let's read the words first. T-E-N, 10. T-E-N, 10. L-O-G, log. L-O-G, log. B-U-S, bus. B-U-S, bus. C-U-P, cup. C-U-P, cup. B-E-L-L, bell. B-E-L-L, bell. C-A-P, cap. C-A-P, cap. T-U-B, tub. T-U-B, tub. C-O-T, cot. C-O-T, cot. Come to next line. H-O-T, hot. H-O-T, hot. L-I-D, lid. L-I-D, lid. S-I-X, 6. S-I-X, 6. Next word is B-E-D, bed. B-E-D, bed. P-I-N, pin. P-I-N, pin. P-U-P, pup. P-U-P, pup. H-U-T, hut. H-U-T, hut. And last one is B-I-N, bin. B-I-N, bin. Now kids, let's start. Tell me which picture is this? This is a picture of bin. This is a picture of bin. So what we have to do? We have to write here spelling of bin. B-I-N, bin. See kids, in this box spelling of bin is already given over here. So we have to write here bin. Okay. So let's write B I N. B-I-N, bin. Now come to next picture. Tell me which picture is this? This is a picture of cot. This is a picture of cot. Let's see where is the spelling of cot written kids. This one is a spelling of cot. C-A-P. No, this is a spelling of cap. So tell me, this one is a spelling of cot? Yes. C-O-T, cot. So we have to write here C-O-T, cot. C-O-T, C-O-T, cot. Now kids, come to next one. Tell me which picture is this? This is a picture of bed. This is a picture of bed. Now let's see the spelling of bed. This one? No, this is a spelling of 10. Okay, tell me, this is a spelling of bed. No, this is a spelling of B-E-L-L, bell. This one is a spelling of bed. B-E-D, bed. Yes, this one is a spelling of bed. So we have to write here spelling of bed. B E D. B E D. B E D, bed. Okay. Now kids, next picture is, tell me which picture is this? This is a picture of hut. This is a picture of hut. Now let's see, where is the spelling of hut written? This one is H-O-T? No, this is a spelling of hot. Okay, tell me, this one is a spelling of hut? P-I-N, pin. No. Okay, this one is a spelling of hut? H-U-T, hut? Yes. So we have to write here spelling of hut. So kids, look here. H-U-T. H-U-T, hut. So kids, bin, cot, bed, hut. Now kids, come to next one. Tell me which picture is this? Yes, this is a picture of cup. This is a picture of cup. Let's find where is the spelling of cup written. This one, C-U-P, cup. Yes. So we have to write here C-U-P, cup. C-U-P. C-U-P, cup. Now kids, tell me which numeral is this? This is numeral 6. This is numeral 6. Now let's find where is the spelling of 6 written. Tell me, this is the spelling of 6. B-U-S, bus. No. This one, L-I-D, lit. No. This one, S-I-X, 6. Yes, this is the spelling of 6. So we have to write the spelling here. Okay. So kids, write spelling of 6 here. S-I-X. S-I-X, 6. Now kids, move to next one. Tell me what is this? This is a picture of bell. This is a picture of bell. Now let's find the spelling of bell. So kids, tell me, this one is a spelling of bell? B-E-D? No, this is a spelling of bed. Okay, tell me, this one is a spelling of bell? B-E-L-L? Yes, this one is correct one. So we had to write this spelling here, okay, after its picture. So kids, write here B. You have to write a spelling of bell. B E L L, like this. B-E-L-L, bell. Now come to next one, kids. Tell me which picture is this? This is a picture of dog? No, this is a picture of pup. This is a picture of pup. Let's see the spelling of pup. Tell me, this one is a spelling of pup? P-I-N? No, this is a spelling of pin. Okay, tell me, this one is a spelling of pup? P-U-P? Yes, correct. This one is a spelling of pup. So we have to write here spelling of pup in front of this picture. P U P. P-U-P, pup. Okay. Cup, 6, bell, pup. Now come to next line. Now kids, tell me which numeral is this? Yes, this is numeral 10. This is numeral 10. That means we have to find spelling of 10 from the box. Let's see, where is the spelling of 10 written? Okay, tell me, this one is the spelling of 10. L-I-D, lit. No. This one is B-U-S, bus. No. This one is T-E-N, 10. Yes, this one is correct one. So we have to write here spelling of 10. T-E-N. T-E-N, 10. Now tell me, which picture is this? This is a picture of bus. This is a picture of bus. Spelling of bus is B-U-S, bus. Now let's find where is the spelling of bus written. This one, B-I-N, bin? No. Okay, tell me this one, B-E-L-L, bell? No. This one, B-U-S, bus? Yes, this one is the spelling of bus. So we have to write here bus in front of its picture. So kids, write here B-U-S. B-U-S, bus. B-U-S, bus. Now kids, tell me, which picture is this? This is a picture of pin. This is a picture of pin. Let's search where is the spelling of pin written. Tell me, this is the spelling of pin. L-O-G, log. No. Okay. Tell me, this is the spelling of pin. P-I-N, pin. Yes, this one is correct. So we have to write here P-I-N, pin. Okay. So kids, write here P-I-N. P-I-N, pin. Okay. Come to next. Now tell me, what is this? This is a cup which is very hot. See, which is very hot. That means we have to write here spelling of hot. H-O-T, hot. Let's find this word is present or not. This one, S-I-S-S-I-X-X. No. This one, H-O-T, hot. Yes, this word is present here. That means we have to write here H-O-T, hot. H-O-T, hot. H-O-T, H-O-T, hot. Now move to next one. Tell me, which picture is this? This is a picture of log. This is a picture of log. Let's find its spelling. This one, C-A-P, cap. No. This one, T-U-B, tub. No. So tell me, this one is correct. L-O-G, log. Yes, this one is correct. So we have to write here spelling of log in front of its picture. So kids, write here L-O-G. L-O-G, log. Okay. Now kids, come to next one. What is this? Tell me, what is this? Let's search. 10. No. Log. No. Bus. No. Cup. No. Bell. No. Cap. No. So tub. Yes. This is tub. This is tub. So what is the spelling of tub? Let's read it. T-U-B, tub. Yes. So kids, you have to write here spelling of tub. T-U-B, U T-U-B, tub. T-U-B, U-B, T-U-B, tub. Now kids, come to next one. Tell me, what is this? This is a picture of lid. This is a picture of lid. Let's search the spelling of lid, kids. This one is a spelling of lid. L-I-D, lid. Yes, this one is correct. So we have to write here spelling of lid. L-I-D. L-I-D, lid. Now come to last picture. Tell me, which picture is this? Yes, this is a picture of cap. This is a picture of cap. Let's find its spelling, kids. See, this is a picture. This is a spelling of cap. C-O-T. No, this is a spelling of cot. Okay, tell me, this one is a spelling of cap. C-A-P. Yes, correct, kids. This one is a spelling of cap. So we have to write here cap. C-A-P. C-A-P, cap. So log, tub, lid, cap. 10, bus, pin, hot. Okay kids, so like this you have to complete pages 7, 8, 9 and 10 of your English workbook. Till then, take care. Bye bye everyone.